In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Barracuda X to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the two main ways in which you will be able to use your Razer Barracuda X and connect it to your PlayStation 4. You will be able to do this wirelessly or through a cable, depending on which options you have available and whichever one is most convenient. So first, for the wireless option, all that you have to do is grab the included wireless dongle. So when you unbox your Razer Barracuda X, there should be a USB-C wireless dongle included. This is used for the wireless connection to your console. So all that you have to do is plug it into any of the available ports on your PlayStation 4. You can use a USB-C to USB-A adapter, so plug it into any of the available ports and connect it however you prefer. Once the dongle is connected into the PlayStation 4, you will be able to power on the Razer Barracuda X and it should be immediately picked up by the dongle. If the connection was successful, you will be able to go over to the device settings, access the audio category, and under the audio output or input devices, you will be able to find the Razer headset available, and you will be able to listen to all of the audio coming through your console. Now, alternatively, if you are unable to use the wireless dongle, if it doesn't work or you don't like it, then you just have to do a wired connection instead. Just use the 3.5mm audio jack included, so you will be able to connect one end of the cable into the Razer headset and another one into your actual controller or console. And once this is done, once again, you will be able to listen to all of the audio coming through the console on your Razer Barracuda X. So you can choose between either of the two options, depending on whichever works best or whatever you prefer, either a wireless connection with the wireless dongle or by using a wired connection with the included cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Barracuda X to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.